Good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this video. But I'm gonna show you a little back and forth from Candace Owens and Cardi B. Who you guys think really won this? I know it wasn't no sugarcoating, especially Candace Owens. She didn't hold nothing back. So you guys tell me what you think.
There are way more intellectual black Democrats you could have sat down with, yet you chose an illiterate rapper, because that's what she is. She's illiterate. It is demeaning. It is pandering. It is ridiculous, okay? And she asked pointedly ridiculous questions. I want lower taxes, but I want universal health care for all. She had no idea what she was doing, and yet both Bernie Sanders and Joe Biden made the time to sit with her because they believe black people are stupid. And black people that thought, yay, that's a win. No, it's not a win. It is one of the biggest insults.
So Cardi B hit back on Twitter, and this is what she wrote. She said, I don't want to argue with you, Candace. I really don't have time. I honestly just feel sorry for you. And then she wrote again. And she said, you are encouraging millions to vote for a man who laugh every time a black man, I'm going to change it to man, gets killed by a cop and telling millions of Americans to drink bleach. Then she wrote, Trump didn't even have you talking at the Republican convention. He thinks you're dumb.
Oh, yes, honey.
I get tired of your commenters and your fans saying, oh, she's clout chasing. I'd be clout chasing if I was challenging you to a rap battle. I'm not doing that. You're in my area. You're in politics. You're embarrassed because you realize you know nothing about anything when you're on Twitter.
Why wouldn't Joe Biden sit down with me, Cardi B? I have millions of followers, and I pay millions in taxes. I'm heard all around the world. So just like I can make people pop their and have a good time and make them feel like a bad bitch, I could also encourage millions of followers to go vote. And I don't know what black man broke your heart that you hate your kind so much.
We may be related or something.
Yep, Cardi B and Joey B.